and welcome back to my channel. I'm sure if it's the first time stopping by. So in today's video I'll be doing a meal prep with me. So I don't know if you know or if you didn't know already. First of all, I'm wearing this hat because my hair is a mess. Like, it's a mess. So I don't know if you don't know already. If you do not know, I am on a weight loss journey, guys. I signed up for the gym last month and so far I am losing weight, but it's not as, you know, as I want it to be. Like, it's not as quick because I'm losing, but I'm not putting into the diet very much. I decided that this month, April, I'm just going to be strictly on my diet. Anyway, as I was saying, first interrupted for the 100th time. Like, is it just me that feels like if you don't start something ever on the first day of the month or on a Monday? Like, for me, if I do not start something on a Monday or the first day of the month, I just feel like, you know, I'm not going to succeed in whatever that I want to do. So anyway, today is Monday. Today is a public holiday. What holiday is it again?
Monday.
We both don't know what holiday it is today, but yeah, oh yeah, today is an Easter Monday and we are home today. We went out yesterday. It was hectic going out with the kids, so we are home today, and I figured out that because today is Monday and I'm home, so let me just meal prep, like, you know, for 10 days, for the next 10 days or 2 weeks, and then see how it's gonna go, if meal prepping is indeed going to help my, you know, my weight loss journey. So yeah, in today's video we are going to meal prep, guys. Please subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Give this video a like, comment on what more you like to see from me. But without being said, guys, let's go ahead and meal prep.
You call in my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it, Why?
Okay, guys, so I have fish over here. This is Thompson fish. I don't know how you call this fish. Please let me know down below what you call this fish, but I grew up eating this fish, guys. This is Thompson fish. We call it Thompson. In French it's Thompson, so yeah, we call it Thompson. And I'm just going to marinate this, and then I will use the air fryer to cook this. So I know cooking fish won't take long in the air fryer, so I'm just going to use this, and then salt, and then a chili. There's no sauce, chili sauce. I'm hoping I'm not going to make this into
Most of the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets.
Okay, so the camera stopped recording and I didn't pick up where it stopped recording, but I used this to also to marinate my fish. I also went in with these random spices, guys. They're all random. Salt and more spices, and then I also went into this mixed herbs, and yeah, so I'm just going to put this in an air fryer now.
to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? If the world was ending. stuck in my mind just all the time. I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets. I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing. Tell me why, baby? Do you look so pretty and you smile,
I got this from Westpac, as you all can see, and then oh la la, so they come like this. I have to open one up. So this is how they come. I don't know if you can see. Yes, so they come with these. The lunchbox themselves, they're so small. I only found these ones, and this was like the least expensive, which was like 50 rand for 5. So you buy 10 rand each. So I got 2 packs, so 50 rand plus 50 rand, that would be 100 rand. Yeah, so I'm going to pack my meals in here. So this is everything, guys. Let me just zoom in. Can you see? Can you see? As people with kids, can you see? Anywho, so if you can see there, I have sweet potato, carrots, green pepper, onion, jalapeno. I stir fried that using coconut oil. I stir fried that using coconut oil, and then I have chicken and broccoli. And then this one has fish. So there's broccoli, there's fish, and then there's a stir fry over there. I don't know how, but yeah. And then there's a stir fry over there. Okay, the rest of them have fish. Only this one has chicken. And then when you come over here, so there I have that's what you call that, cabbage with Lucky Star with peaches. Yeah, that's cabbage with peaches, and I have brown rice and a piece of chicken. This guys, This cabbage over here and peaches is so tasty. This is so nice. If you haven't tried the recipe, you should try it and let me know. But yeah, okay, so yeah guys, this is it.